Welcome to the Craigslist Report, and today we are featuring listings for UTVs that you won't want to miss. Let's check out this 2024 Bad Boy Bandit UTV 750 located in New York for a price of $14,950. Let's check out this 2023 Can-Am Defender UTV located in Connecticut for a price of $14,500. Check out this Save 5,800 new 2024 CFM Moto Z Force 950 HOX SKS UTV coming straight from California with a price tag of $9,999. Check out this Bobcat 3400 XL 4x4 side-by-side UTV coming straight from Hawaii with a price tag of $12,500. Up next, we have a 6500 off 2024 Kawasaki Ridge. Limited HVAC, side-X-side UTV, available in California for $26,999. The next item is a Save $2,000. New 2024 Honda Pioneer 704 UTV side-by-side that you can find in California, available for $11,399. Feast your eyes on this 82 HP 2024 Can-Am HD10 Defender Limited UTV ATV utility vehicle 4WD from Florida, now available for $29,500. Let's check out this 2022 Kawasaki UTV located in Hawaii for a price of $12,000. Up next, we have a 2019 Club Car Carryall 1700 4-seater 4WD DSL UTV available in California for $6,480.